Bake with Yaffy. Hi everybody, my name is Yaffy. Today we're baking butter cookies, and we have 3 ingredients. First, we have butter and milk powder and flour.
It's a gluten-free flour.
Yes, I do. Today, what is this again, Mama?
Vanilla.
This is vanilla, and this is cinnamon, and today we're going to bake. Step 1. We're going to put oil of butter. Let's start this way. Creamy.
Okay, I'm going to start the creaming. What are you going to put next? It's your vanilla.
Vanilla. We put this one.
A little bit. What's that? That's your?
It's a milk powder. And then we mix it. Now I'm going to put the flour, but not everything. Do you need more? You need to use everything? What's it? Everybody? So nice, Mama. Guys, and then I'm going to put the cinnamon. I want to smell it. That's it. It's soft. Baking is preparing food using
Dry
heat. Like this. Now I'm going to put the cookies in the oven. Inside.
Sophisticated infrastructure to supply electrical
Mouse?
power, all
Mickey
computers
Mouse.
and other
I'll just have to look
infrastructure.